All right, so now we are ready to finish up our trees and then add in the mountains and then what's going to be in kind of this universe around the earth. I just wanted to show you one more way to make trees too. If you want to do like a pine tree, you do zigzags all the way across. You can have some larger and smaller ones till you are happy with how many trees you have. The mountains are pretty easy to do. You'll just go up in this last layer here and make kind of a triangular shape. Add some snow on top of those mountains. I'm layering them so there's some overlapping. The other natural disaster we don't see so much around here, but like an avalanche would also be considered one. If you don't like these mountains, I already said you could change them into volcano. Maybe you have houses out here. Maybe you want to add in like a tornado, or you could have like a big tidal wave coming through. That's up to you. Now we're looking at around the outside of this design. This would be like our earth, and then the outside here is like space. So you might add in things like the moon. We do a crescent moon, but you could have one with craters. You could add in more stars. I always have students ask how to make a star. It's really a lot of incomplete triangles put together. And if you mess up a little bit, if you're using pencil, it's really easy to fix. And sometimes they look a little interesting if they are kind of off. It's all right. You add 5 of those. You could add in other planets. So maybe I want to add in like Saturn over here. Add in those rings. You could have the sun kind of showing from one of these corners. Just adding in some interest to my design. I'm going to continue that kind of swirl pattern out here in outer space a little bit. It's really up to you what you want to add. If you don't want it like mine, I'll be all right with that. When you're all done drawing the earth and you have your outer space done, we'll actually start adding some color to this very soon, but we're going to stop right there for today. I can't wait to see all of your wonderful Earth Day projects, and I'm excited to see the natural disasters you added into your art.